हाय गाइस, तो आज हम लोग एक नया क्वेश्चन देखने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन है फॉक्स एंड स्नेक। तो इसमें क्या दिया है आप पढ़ सकते हैं। मतलब ऐसे मैं बता देता हूँ। स्नेक सी फॉक्स इज स्टार्ट लर्निंग प्रोग्रामिंग। द फर्स्ट टास्क इज टू ड्रॉ अ फॉक्स। ओके, however that turned out to be too hard for a beginner, so she decided to draw a snake instead. A snake is a pattern of n by n. ठीक है, n by n मतलब रो बाय कॉलम टेबल denoted by ch cell of rth row rc. The tail of the snake is located at 1 1, then its body extended to 1m, then it goes to row 2 to 3m, then it goes to left to 3 to 1, and so on. Your task is to draw the snake for foxy. The empty cell should be represented dot characters dot, and the snake cell should be filled with hash. Consider a simple test in order to understand the snake. Input n is an odd number. You remember this, n in a row is an odd number. And other than that, columns could be even odd. It could be both. Okay. So how are we going to solve this problem? Let's see. I have already coded out the solution, as you can see. So when the user enter row and column n and n, so what we will do for, we'll see r is equal to 1. We use for loop. Inside the for loop, if r is if row is 2, then it will print out hash. Okay, and it will continue till it is not. Okay, same goes with if r is divisible by 4, then if r is divisible by 4 is equal to 0, then it will print out hash, then dot. Okay, same code with else like that. I will just run the code. Okay, the code working fine, as you can see. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know.